Hi guys, I just heard some reports, well I see that quite often that some people think that they're in ATI mode and the helicopter drops. So I'm suggesting that they're either in 6G or 3D mode. So I want to just explain these LEDs to you. So this is, I'm inside now, so it's orange flashing. I've just booted up. So it's searching for satellites, so that's not important at the moment. So you can see we're in the middle of between GPS ATI, right in the center on top here. And when you flick to ATI mode, first of all this will flash red fast like that, yeah, and this will drop just a little bit. So there's GPS and there's ATI. Furthermore, when moving the sticks, this will, in ATI mode, that will work, yeah, but the pitch won't work. Alright, now I'm going to switch to 6G. 6G is also flashing red, but look where that is now. So there's ATI, so there's GPS, ATI, 6G. So you'll see on the software it's quite a bit down, and then 3D would be all the way there, yeah? But but now that works, and this works, yeah? So you might be flicking to ATI, or you think you're flicking to ATI, you see the red light, but the heli drops. That's because the pitches now, you can go completely negative and completely positive. Okay, so just check your software that this is in the right place. It should be just there, basically just under the P of GPS. That's where that should be, not past the G. Okay, so I hope that helps. Thanks guys.